Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is an island country and city-state in maritime Southeast Asia. It is the capital of Singapore. The capital of the Republic of Singapore is Singapore. The country's official languages are Tamil, Malay, Mandarin and English. Malay is the national language, but English is the lingua franca and the language of trade and administration. What is the economy of Singapore? The economy of Singapore is a highly developed free market economy with dirigist characteristics. Singapore's economy has been previously ranked as the most open in the world, the joint fourth least corrupt, and the most pro-business. Is Singapore nice to live in? Singapore is known for its outstanding quality of life, with a high standard of living and modern amenities. The healthcare system is well developed, making it easy for expats to access the medical care they need quickly and efficiently. Why is Singapore called? However, the original legend was that a long time ago, a 14th-century Sumatran prince spotted an auspicious beast upon landing on the island after a thunderstorm, which he was told was a lion. Thus, the name Singapore comes from the Malay words Singa for lion, and Pura for city. Is Singapore good for studies? Managed by the Ministry of Education, education in Singapore ranks highly compared to other nations around the globe, making it an ideal destination for international students interested in a study abroad experience. How much is Singapore's study visa? Issuance fee, you've to pays $60 Rs 3,657 approx. What is the religion of Singapore? Singapore is a multi-religious society with 5 main religious groups: Buddhism, Taoism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. Are there any Muslims in Singapore? Islam constitutes the third largest religion in Singapore, with Muslims accounting for approximately 15.6% of the population, as indicated by the 2020 census. Predominantly, Singaporean Muslims are Sunni Muslims adhering to either the Shafi'i or Hanafi schools of thought. Is education free in Singapore? The cost is almost negligible, as all Singaporean citizens are entitled to free primary school education in Singapore. Is Singapore richer than USA? Singapore has become the only Asian country to achieve a higher per capita gross domestic product than the United States by every measure. What is so famous about Singapore? What is Singapore famous for? Singapore is famous for being a global financial center, being among the most densely populated places in the world, having a world-class city airport with a waterfall, and a botanic garden that is a World Heritage Site. What is Singapore's culture? Its contemporary modern culture consists of a combination of Asian and European cultures, mainly by Malay, South Asian, East Asian and Eurasian influences. Singapore has been dubbed as a country where East meets West, gateway to Asia and a garden city.